Good morning, this is GBPUSD. I'm the analyst and trader you can find at the blog www.fibonaccistalking.com. Good morning, this is today is October the 21st, 2012, and it's 20 past 2 p.m. Italian time. I want to remind you that Italian time zone is GMT +1. This video is part of my video review, weekly video review I only share with my subscribers, the subscribers of my new free newsletter. And at the end of this video, I'll tell you how you can subscribe for free and get all this information on Sunday, the day I send out my newsletter. And usually I will publish these videos on my blog 6 days later on Saturday. So if you want to get timely access to these videos, you will need to register to my newsletter. This video is about a weekly review related to the pound versus USD Forex pair. And first of all, I want to start from the weekly chart. What you see on the screen is the weekly chart of the GBPUSD Forex cash. So that's not the future, but it's the cash. And as we can see on this chart, we had big resistance in the 168.40 area, but at the same time we had support as well in the 152.75 area. This area failed at the very beginning, but after so the bulls failed to support this area at the very beginning, but as you can see, the bears also apologize. So as you can see, the bulls were not able to hold this, but also the bears were not able to hold price lower below 159.80 area. So what we are in at the moment in this chart, as we said also in the last review, is a huge consolidation pattern, right? And this consolidation pattern, it's related, it's linked to the somehow uncertainty, because longs are not willing, bulls are not willing to support price higher. Bears are not willing to support price lower, so there is indecisions. Of course, we identify indecisions here on a very large time frame, because this wedge is going on since the beginning of 2009 basically. So what can we expect in this price, in this pair? This is pound versus USD, so I expect more strength in the short time in the dollar. So we should see this pair moving lower in the short term. But as soon as dollar weakness is back in again, we should see this pair going higher. So we should actually see this long here working, this support area working. It was tested 3 times, and the second time it held, so that's very important. And as we can see, this area of support is a first target in the 178.80 area, which also would also fail this bigger shot we have here. So I anticipate we are going higher as soon as the dollar will end its strength here, and this could happen in the next 2 weeks. That's what I anticipate. So let's move into the daily chart. So we expect a move lower, and this move lower in the next 2 weeks could actually bring price into the 157.90 area. And let's review what happened in the last few weeks here on the daily chart. We had a move, initial move lower here, with resistance in the 161.90 area and target in the 160 area, and I mentioned this in my last video as well. What we were looking for then was for an additional and subsequent move lower, and as we can see, price had a reaction to the next resistance and short setup lower. It was 160 61 area, 160.90 area. We had reaction, and then after 2 days we broke this level. So this was during the time we were getting strength in the euro as well. But as you can see, while the euro reached the top of the sideways channel, the pound was not that strong, and actually stopped before. And what it stopped, it's very easy. It stopped exactly at the halfway back between the top and the bottom of this initial trusty move lower. And I mentioned this area of support on Friday as well at 161.40 area, with a target in the 159 area here. So the pound likes trading in traditional measure moves. So should we get a rally higher at the beginning of next week into the 160.80 area, I would suggest you get a short there. Read my disclaimer as well. That's your responsibility if you do that. And this would actually be with a stop above 161, 162 area here, sorry, 161.10 area here, and we would have a first target in the 159.53, but then we would need to remove the position at the 159 target. That's where price will probably go. If the move in the euro and move in the dollar will continue higher, and move in the euro will continue lower, we could actually reach very quickly the 157.90 area. So maybe you want to get only partial profits in this area, because price could continue lower. And that's what I wanted to say about the pound. I hope you find this interesting, and as I said, I will only share this video with my subscribers. So if you want to receive this information timely on Sunday when I send out my newsletter, you can go to my website, my blog, www.fibonaccistalking.com. In the main page you will have also this menu. You can actually browse who I am, what I do, my method, the model portfolios I run on the website, and on the newsletter you'll find also a lot of information and articles as well that are focusing on the movements of the euro, the high frequency trading and program trading I use in my trading. And you can go to this picture here, image here, and click to sign up. You'll be brought to this form here. You can input your address and first name. You can also tell about your trading experience and select one language, and I'll send you the newsletter in that language. I hope you find this interesting. I actually I'm done here. I wish you a very good Sunday and a very great trading week next week, and I hope to see you on my blog, and bye bye.